Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to talk about Madu River. Madu River is a beautiful and scenic river located in the southwestern part of Sri Lanka, in the province of Gale. It is considered one of the most important wetland ecosystems in Sri Lanka, with an estuary that opens into the Indian Ocean. The river is about 64 kilometers long and flows through a variety of landscapes, including mangrove forests, wetlands, and small islands. The Madu River is an important source of livelihood for the local people, who rely on fishing, prawn farming, and traditional industries such as core rope making. The river also provides an important source of water for agriculture and domestic use. The river and its surrounding wetlands are home to a diverse array of flora and fauna, including many species of birds, reptiles, and fish. Some of the species that can be found in the area include crocodiles, monkeys, monitor lizards, and a variety of bird species such as kingfishers, herons, and egrets. One of the main attractions of the Madu River is the boat tour that takes visitors through the mangrove forests and wetlands. Along the way, visitors can observe the local wildlife, visit small islands, and learn about the traditional industries that depend on the river. The tour also includes a stop at the Madu River estuary, where visitors can take a swim in the shallow waters and enjoy the beautiful scenery. One of the most interesting aspects of the Madu River is the way in which it has been shaped by human activity over the centuries. For example, many of the mangrove forests that line the river were planted by local people to protect against erosion and provide a source of firewood and other resources. Similarly, the traditional industries such as prawn farming and core rope making have been practiced in the area for generations, and are an important part of the local culture. Visitors to the Madu River area can also learn about the conservation efforts that are underway to protect this important ecosystem. For example, there are several organizations working to reduce pollution in the river, promote sustainable fishing practices, and protect the mangrove forests and wetlands. Another interesting aspect of the Madu River is its cultural significance. The river has long been an important part of local mythology and folklore, and is associated with several Hindu and Buddhist temples in the area. The river is also celebrated through a variety of cultural festivals and ceremonies, such as the Madu Festival and the Thiruvatira Festival. Unfortunately, like many ecosystems around the world, the Madu River is facing a range of environmental challenges, including pollution, overfishing, and habitat loss. Efforts are underway to protect the river and its surrounding wetlands, such as through the creation of protected areas and the promotion of sustainable tourism. Overall, the Madu River is a fascinating and complex ecosystem that offers visitors a range of opportunities for learning, exploration, and adventure. Whether you are interested in wildlife, culture, or simply enjoying the natural beauty of the area, the Madu River is a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to Sri Lanka. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Comment below if you already visited there. And I'll see you next time.